What does being part of RBM's ESD program mean to you?
Oh, being part of RBM SD program means growth to me. That part of knowing that every entrepreneur has needs. There are some needs that every person or okay, let me start afresh. Am I allowed to start afresh?
Hi, I'm Hiten, founder of UCA. We're here at the Rio Tinto Supplier Development Program today, running the Personal Development Challenge for 8 entrepreneurs that form part of the supply chain. The objective of the program is to help build the softer skills from an entrepreneurial perspective when dealing with people and stakeholders, but also the psychological aspects of what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur.
To get the ideal result that you want, you have to have the belief system that it's going to come there. Because if your belief system is not at its peak level, how are you going to unlock your potential? And if you can't unlock your potential, are you going to take action? And if you don't take action, what results are you going to get?
Sometimes if you're focusing on your work, you end up neglecting other things. You end up not having time for yourself, for your family, for other things that are also part of your life. So now with this program, I understand that now I have to have time for business and also have time for family and also share love.
Once again, this is about understanding the individual, right?
Exactly.
It's about understanding the individual, or if you're not around, getting your managers to understand that. We qualified as bean counters per se, or accountants, but found ourselves more drawn towards people, and how we can unlock the true potential around people. And so initially we started off focusing on the business mastery side, because naturally people assume, you as a CA can help them more in their business, financial strategy, and unlock that. But I think with our background, both Hiten and myself, we said, how can we do something more unconventional? Because entrepreneurship is not only about business. It's also about the person. It's also about the person driving the vision and the purpose. And so that's what we're trying to create, is to say, especially in our country and our economic environment, there's opportunities, but we got to focus on the people to unlock their full potential, because they'll be the innovators of driving change to unlock their full business potential.
Getting a fitness exercise just before we get into the workshop on techniques in handling people, which is your most valuable asset, whether in business or out of business. Come check our co-founder out, Jamil, moving his exercise backside here.
And try what I've just done now. Say, I do!
Futility and negative effects of criticism ultimately is what we spoke with, right?
You guys are the pilot of the plane, but you need to be building that culture and that team that you can trust and rely on.
So the methodology and how it goes about in terms of the framework itself, at the end of this program, each individual will complete the diagnostic assessment again, and this data is completed by them independent of us, and that will give us a clear indication whether their biography in terms of the spider diagram that initially assessed them has changed in terms of their personal development itself.
Yeah, I didn't think I was going to grow to up to that level, because I took for granted most of this soft skills that I didn't get a chance to take time to know myself, to know who I am, what I'm capable of. Now I believe in myself. I know I'm capable. I know I can do it. Everything is achievable.
I'm going to apply the very same method that these guys taught me about. So you can see now, I'm winning on both places. Business, life.